Welcome back to the channel. So today we are fixing up the garage, cleaning it up, making it a usable workplace because right now, as you can see, it's really not. So we're gonna have to organize some boxes and put some of the stuff away. We did already start moving some boxes. We have them over here on the motorcycle section. So most of the stuff might be organized over there just to clear it out. But let me show you some of the stuff we do got. So first of all, we only got this one light. So when you have a car pulled in over here, it's gonna be pretty dark in this area and pretty dark back here as well, since the light is only in the middle. So we did get some lights. These you can find on Amazon. This is the brand, DEMILARE. And let me tell you, these things are super bright. I'm gonna connect one so you guys can see. So this is without the light, with the light. I mean, big difference for sure. And I don't know if you guys saw, I did bring the top portion of my toolbox. It's like 5 to 6 feet, so it's pretty big. And we also got some organizers. These are also off Amazon. So everything that's off Amazon, I'm gonna have it linked down below so you guys can check this stuff out. These actually surprised me. Like the quality of these are really dope. They're actually pretty good and they're magnetic, which I really like. So I needed these because, and I know it's a mess, we're gonna clean everything up, but we got this tool set. This is from Harbor Freight, Quinn 428 piece. This is like 400 bucks, give or take, but I actually found it on Marketplace for 200, so brand new in box too, so really good deal. Comes with screwdrivers, ratchets, sockets, ratcheting wrenches, and regular wrenches, so pretty dope. And we do have a bunch of other stuff, like we got this Atco sway bar that we're gonna put on the Gold Jeep. I did bring down these lights with me also. This is the set that we're gonna build. Gonna have some demon eyes, and we also got some LED projectors. So the LED is in here, so you can't change it out. If one of these were to go bad, you have to replace the whole thing. But it's gonna have dual LED projectors, so it's gonna be super bright. So be on the lookout for that video. And also for the month of March, we are actually giving away a detailed stubby bumper. Go on to najaroffroad.com, pick up a keychain, pick up a t-shirt, pick up a soft shackle, whatever it is on the website. Every dollar you spend is an entry for the giveaway. So make sure you go on najaroffroad.com and pick something up. This giveaway ends on March 31st, so don't miss out. Anyways, let's get back into the video. In these boxes, if you guys didn't know, on the website, we actually have some soft shackles. They come in pairs and also some quick tire deflators. So if you guys are interested, make sure to check out Najar Offroad. And also on the website, these are a new item. So we got some Jeep WJ keychains that look like that once they're on. So anyways, let's get started with cleaning this up. I'm gonna do like a little time lapse, just organizing things, and then we'll get to installing the lights up here. Okay, so we're actually getting somewhere. We actually got some usable space. This stuff is gonna go inside. So we actually got some usable space now. So over here, I have still my heat press, my tools. I think I'm gonna organize the tools next, just to get rid of some boxes, and then we'll do the lights in a little bit. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna mount them up here. And I also found these radios. So if you guys are interested, I can put these up on the website. These are all used. I have like 15, 16 of them. I don't know exactly how many, but if you guys are interested, I might sell these on the website in a pair. Even though they're used, they all still work. I did test them all out. So comment down below if you guys want these on the website. Anyways, let's keep going and getting these tools organized because there's a ton. If you guys do buy this kit, just know that they just come in boxes. So you will have to get organizers to set them up. But the tools actually look really good quality. So I'm really happy with this purchase here. And if you guys are OG, you guys know what this is. I'm gonna end up hanging this up maybe there or over there. I'm not sure. Okay, so we got one on. That's what the idea looks like. I mean, I'm tugging on it and it's holding pretty dang good. So like I could tug on it and it's pretty strong. I don't think it's going anywhere. It's gonna hold the light just fine. Now for the wires, since this isn't my house, it's a rental. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get an extension cable that'll run from here straight down to that. And I know extension's not the right way to do it, but it's the way that it's gonna work for me. And so it is what it is. So we got one light here and one light in the back. So when you have a car in this area, it'll be lit on both sides. And then this way I can actually get another set and add them on that side if I really wanted to. I'm actually excited because with this light, even though on video it looks kind of bright, in person it's not really. So I think these will definitely help with that. And for the toolbox, we got all the tools in now. So this is like all the sockets This is everything that is included in the kit too. I think it's pretty good. I mean, literally this whole toolbox is full of the Quinn. Look at all the wrenches. You even got some of the ratcheting ones, regular ones. Good amount of sizes, I would say. The biggest 5/16 and 22. Over here, I put the screwdrivers. And then down here, we have all the Allen wrenches. There's more under these sockets. I'll get to that in a second. This kit still has way more sockets. I actually need to order another set of these. It has a bunch of 12-point, I don't know if it's the same amount of sockets as that, but a bunch of 12-point sockets. But I think for the $200 that I spent on this kit here, it is definitely worth it. Like, you get a lot of stuff. But I guess, I don't know the quality yet. Once I start using this stuff, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, I need you guys to see this. I just got the extension cords in. I just ran the wire across into here. It makes a big difference having the two lights. Check this out. That's so much brighter. Like, huge difference in person for sure. I don't know on camera if you can tell. Look how dark it looks. Bam! So that's how it looks normally. This is what it looks like with the lights on. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but in person, I definitely can. I feel like if I would have put them in the middle, it would have shined both sides up really good, but I mean, it wouldn't hurt to have another set here, right? So the next step is I got these little clips right here with some double-sided tape. So here is the after. We are done for now. So as you can see, I mean, we have a garage that we can work in. There's not a ton of boxes like before. We had all over the garage. We got the toolbox, we got the bench. So let's go ahead and see. So what I did is I had bought a brand new Husky workbench, but I got off of eBay and the seller, it was already 3 weeks and he hadn't shipped it yet. So I found this one on Facebook Marketplace. This is a Gladiator, so it's like the Lowe's brand. And the reason I wanted a bench is, first of all, I wanted somewhere to be able to work off of, you know, somewhere that I could put parts on or, you know, things like that. Oh, and I'm pretty sure you guys hear the echo. We're gonna have to figure something out for that. But I wanted a table, that way I could work on it. But for now, I wanted one so that I could put my Husky tool chest on there. This table is, I believe, 65 inches long. I don't know if you guys ever used one of these, but the bucket head vacuum from Home Depot, they're pretty decent, I would say. We got the wheels here that hopefully we're getting rid of soon, so it'll open up more space. The goal is to have my toolbox, the table, and then his toolbox. I think the black one, though, we're gonna put in this corner. Mine is definitely way skinnier than his. So if we put it here, it'll actually be like behind the door, so we can still open the door if we need to. So we're gonna do that. We also have a desktop setup that I'm thinking once we have everything in place, wherever the table's gonna go, I think in the middle, we'll set up the desktop there. That way we can watch some YouTube tutorials as we're working on the Jeep or something like that, play some music. This setup right now will just get me by, you know? I mean, the biggest thing that made the difference in the garage to me are the lights up here. These are the DEMILARE High Bay Lights off of Amazon, so you guys can pick them up. Pretty affordable. So I would definitely recommend these. You guys saw the before and after. Like, let me turn this light on so you guys can see how much of a difference it makes. I mean, you see how much difference it makes. So if we turn off the bay lights, see how much darker it is? And the way that I set it up, I honestly really like it now that it's fully done. I mean, I could have made this straighter, but I'm not worried about it. But the anchors are definitely holding up. Over here, I have a splitter on the extension. Probably not the best way to do it, but it works. Goes down into the plug here, and then we have the on and off switch. So eventually, once I get my toolbox over here, that extension will actually plug into the side over here. So the toolbox will be the one plugged in here. That way we can charge our batteries and stuff like that. But yeah, we are finally fully set up. I think it's time to bring my Jeep to Vegas, my green one. I have the gold one here, but for now, you guys are gonna see some content on the gold one, just fixing it up, making it a great daily driver. It's already a good daily driver, but I need it to be great. And then afterwards, we'll bring my Jeep. Let me show you guys the other side of the garage. So this is where we hid all the cardboard boxes. We ended up going through them, emptying out the ones that we didn't need, and then put the ones that we do need here. So that's all in the corner, out of the way. And this side of the garage is covered, so no one's gonna see anything on this side really. We decided to use a single bay for the motorcycles. So this is gonna be our setup. To the left over here, we have some parts and stuff that I need. So I got this little stand. It's holding like Jeep parts that I have that I need to install, some shipping supplies. Down here are some of the liquids. Of course, we got some cornhole boards. I don't know if I've shown you guys this, but I have an electric scooter that looks like the old school Razor scooters. And I actually got it signed by Ellis George. So shout out to him. I have a video of him riding it too. I'll throw it in right here so you guys can see. And then over here, we also do have my friend's welder, which this thing is massive and super heavy, but I think we're gonna put some caster wheels on it so we can move it around in the garage. Maybe like this is the storage area, and then when we need to use it, we'll roll it out. But this is the garage setup. I'm very happy with where we're going with it. We actually have a place where we can work on the Jeep finally. So I'm excited that we have an empty garage, finally. Now the only thing left to do is to work in it. So be on the lookout for new videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.